Vocabulary Quiz 6.16. Number 1. I wish that dog would stop barking. It's really blank. Exulting, exasperating, slithery, portable. Number 2. Martin isn't usually blank, but today he kept challenging me to fight him. Deprived, withdrawn, suffocating, aggressive. 3. I had to blank $100 from my bank account in order to pay for Mr. Carson's broken window. Withdraw, deprive, overthrow, endanger. Number 4. As she blank over her victory, Melinda waved happily to the crowd. Exasperated, exulted, withdrew, deprived. 5. Before I could capture the garter snake, it blank away. Exasperated, deprived, slithered, exalted. Number 6. What would probably happen if a baby was deprived of milk? It would not care. It would cry. It would drink the milk. It would grow up healthy. 7. You would be most likely to suffocate if you were tired, upset, running, drowning. 8. Which of the following is an example of the word overthrow? In my opinion, Nolan Ryan is the greatest pitcher in the history of baseball. B. The general plotted to take control of the government away from the president. C. Max started to panic when he realized that he couldn't breathe. D. I know I volunteered to help tonight, but I changed my mind. 9. Which of these activities would be most likely to endanger you? Celebrating after a baseball game, going on vacation with your family, skydiving without a parachute, convincing the king to give up the throne. 10. Which is portable? A cell phone, a movie theater, a couch, the Grand Canyon.